This is the Hurricane HTC 125 wood turning chuck. Constructed from solid steel with a chrome-plated finish, this 5-inch scroll chuck is engineered for longevity. Designed for optimal functionality, it ensures a secure and dependable hold for larger wood turning projects. Being the largest chuck available from Hurricane Turning Tools, this 5-inch chuck is recommended for use with full-size lathes and is ideal for turning large bowls and projects. Included in each chuck package are standard dovetail jaws, a 6-inch chuck key, an Allen key for switching jaws, a standard wood screw, and one threaded insert. The insert options include 1 1/4 inch by 8 TPI, 3/4 inch by 16 TPI, 1 1/2 inch by 8 TPI, 1 inch by 8 TPI, 1 1/8 inch by 8 TPI, and M33 by 3.5. There are also a wide variety of add-on jaws available, which will help you tackle virtually any project that you can think of. Whether you've been turning for years or you're just getting started, the Hurricane HTC 125 wood turning chuck offers outstanding performance and reliability, making it an excellent addition to your workshop.